Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an IMAP account to the Outlook app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load your existing emails and take you to your main inbox view. Once everything loads up, you're ready to begin adding your IMAP account. Now, to add an IMAP account to Outlook, you'll need to access your Windows control panel. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel, then hit Enter. The control panel window will open, displaying several settings icons. Look for the mail icon, which should be configured for Outlook by default, and click on it to proceed. A small mail settings window will appear on your screen. From this window, locate and click on the Show Profiles option. This opens the Mail Profiles window where you can manage different email profiles. In this window, look for the Add button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter a new profile name for your IMAP account. Fill in the required field with a name that helps you identify this account, then click OK. After clicking OK, an account setup window will appear. Here, click on the Manual Setup or Additional Server Types radio button to select it, then click Next. This allows you to configure your IMAP settings manually, giving you full control over the setup process. On the next screen, you'll see three types of accounts you can add: Microsoft 365, POP or IMAP, or Exchange Active Sync. Click on the POP or IMAP radio button to select it, then click Next to continue. This tells Outlook that you want to set up an IMAP account specifically. Now you'll be presented with several fields that you need to fill in. These include your email address, incoming server, outgoing server, and logon information. Make sure to click on the Account Type drop-down menu and select IMAP from the options. This is a crucial step because it determines how your emails will be synchronized across devices. Take your time to enter all the required information accurately, including your server addresses and login credentials. Once you've filled in all the fields and verified that everything is correct, click Next. Microsoft Outlook will now begin verifying the information you've provided for your IMAP account. This process checks that your server settings are correct and that Outlook can successfully connect to your email provider. Wait for a few moments while Outlook completes this verification process. And that's it. You've successfully added an IMAP account to your Outlook app and can now access your emails directly from within the application. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.